I, Assistant Professor Prachi Agarwal, on behalf of Band Sanghas SM Shetty College of Science, Commerce and Management Studies, extend a very warm welcome to all of you. On the occasion of oath-taking ceremony of the Students' Council, I welcome Chairman PEC CA Shankar B. Shetty, Vice Chairman PEC Shri B.R. Shetty, Vice Chairman PEC Shri Nityanand Hegde, Secretary PEC Shri Harish Vasu Shetty, Treasurer PEC CA Harish D. Shetty, General Manager Dr. Sandeep Singh, Principal Degree College Dr. Sridhara Shetty, Principal State Board Ms. Seema Sablok, Principal International Board Ms. Mildred Lobo, Vice Principal Degree College Dr. Liju Santosh, Vice Principal Degree College Professor Sandesh Shetty, Vice Principal Junior College Ms. Pratibha Gadgali, coordinators, teachers, and students. Oath taking is a symbolic ceremony for officially handing over power and position to the Students' Council members. Let us begin the ceremony with the blessings of Almighty by lighting the lamp.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you, sir. After this beautiful prayer song, let us inaugurate the ceremony with a classical dance performance by our students. Thank you, students, for presenting this wonderful dance performance even through this online mode. I now request Professor Sandesh Shetty, Students' Council in charge, to kindly set up the theme for the oath-taking ceremony.
The Students' Council shall be the students' government and the representative body of students. This council is headed by core committee consists of 14 members, namely General Secretary, Joint General Secretary, Cultural Leader, Assistant Cultural Leaders, Public Relation Officers, Assistant Public Relation Officers, Sports Representatives, Assistant Sports Representative, the members from NSS, DLLE, and WDC. These council members are selected on the basis of their performance, leadership qualities, and public relations. They organize and participate in both intra and intercollegiate events. They promote the personal and development of students through social, cultural, and educational activities. They also assist the college in smooth functioning of the college activities. This year, we got energetic team as core committee and student council. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let us now proceed with the introduction of the newly elected core committee members and the badge distribution ceremony. First of all, I would like to introduce to you all the General Secretary, Mr. Ratin Sawant. Paving his way from the cultural background into the Students' Council, Ratin brings in 4 years of experience working in various college fests. Ratin has been an integral part of the Students' Council from the first year. His driving force is coming up with the new adaptive ideas for this unique year. Now I would like to introduce the Joint General Secretary, Mr. Omkar Yashwant More. A good leader is a person who takes a little more than his share of blame and a little less than his share of credit. Keeping this as his prime motto, Omkar is a silent yet energetic student. He's a fantastic graphic designer and has curated a lot of amazing content for our college. Now I would like to introduce the Joint General Secretary, Ms. Divya Shaz. Divya is a hardworking student and a promising leader. She has always been prompt with her task and has played an important role in organizing various activities in the college. Divya stands for qualities such as honesty, kindness, and responsibility. Next, I would like to introduce the cultural leader of the college, Ms. Namira Sheikh. Namira is an extraordinary student. She has immensely contributed to the cultural department for the last 2 years. She has also been a part of the sports department by playing at the university level in the women's volleyball team. Now I would like to introduce the assistant cultural leader of the college, Mr. Srinav Sham. Srinav is a jack of many trades. He is a passionate musician and an actor. He has written a song while representing our college in IPTA, and is also the lyricist and co-composer behind the Immortal Anthem 2019. Next, I would like to introduce the Public Relation Officer, Ms. Vrinda Suman. A leader is a person who inspires people to do more, learn more, and achieve more. Vrinda, with her extraordinary communication and people management skills, has always inspired students to achieve more. She has been an active part of the all college events from the last 2 years. Now I would like to introduce the Assistant Public Relation Officer, Ms. Swati Shetty. She is a professional dancer and has been part of an album song, award shows, and many dance events. She represented our college in the youth festival and won first prize in zonal level and second prize in the final round. She has volunteered in many events organized by our college and will continue to do so in the future. Next, I would like to introduce the sports representative, Mr. Karan Shetkar. Karan has played for Maharashtra 2 times in the sports handball. He has been a part of sports department from the last 2 years and has worked with all his dedication, hard work, and honesty. He was also a part of our college cricket team last year, which reached top 32 colleges among 192 colleges in Mumbai University. Now I would like to introduce the Assistant Sports Representative, Ms. Supriya Maurya. Supriya believes that a good leader is the one who motivates you to succeed. She does her hard work with full responsibility. She has won many prizes in the badminton, racing, and many more sports events. She always tries to give her best in every work she does. Next, I would like to introduce the lady representative, Ms. Neha Gupta. Creating awareness about problems of women is a crucial task, and Sneha is playing her part in it. She has always been on the forefront to help her fellow mates. She has good leadership qualities and has always been vocal about problems in the society. Now, I would like to introduce the second lady representative, Ms. Siddhi Shetty. Skilled, sensitive, and strong are some of the qualities that Siddhi portrays. She has always contributed to all our college events. The hard work she puts in all her tasks is commendable. Her fierce attitude and her ability to stand for what is right has always helped her to achieve more. Now I would like to introduce the NSS representative, Mr. Ishan Salian. There is no greater joy nor greater reward than to make a fundamental difference in our society. Keeping this as his motto, Ishan is an active student volunteer in NSS for last 3 years. He has been the NSS camp in charge and overall in charge for NSS Fest for the year 1920. Now I would like to introduce the Assistant NSS representative, Ms. Snehal Rai. Snehal has been an active NSS volunteer for 2 years. She is a hardworking and a creative individual who puts in a lot of efforts for her post. She is a part of Kalamanch Theatre Club of our college and has participated in many theatre competitions on district, state, and national level. Last but not the least, I would like to introduce the DLLE representative, Ms. Navmi Rai. Navmi's ability to interact and connect with fellow peers has helped her to get hold of this position. She's a talented person who can sing and dance. Her main focus is to instill social awareness and responsibility through several DLLE events and to encourage students in shaping up their personality. We now have young and energetic leaders with us, ready to pledge their oath. I request our principal, sir, to kindly sworn in the newly formed Students' Council.
I, Veera Sheikh, cultural representative
of Students' Council of Bansangas, SM Shetty College of Science, Commerce and Management Studies.
Council of
Bansangas, SM Shetty
College of Science, Commerce and Management Studies
For the year 2020-21.
For the year 2020-21.
Do hereby swear
Do hereby
that we will perform our duties to the best of our ability.
that we will perform our duties
to the best of our ability.
We will respect all the rules and regulations
We will respect all the rules and regulations
which govern them
which govern them
in a true spirit
in true spirit
for the honor of our college and the glory of our country.
for the honor of our college and the glory of our country.
We sincerely and solemnly promise
We sincerely and
solemnly promise
that we will uphold and administer the offices
that we will uphold
and administer the offices
which we have been elected
to which
to
we have
which we
been
have been
elected
elected
to the best of our ability and judgment.
to the best
To
of
the
our
best of our ability and judgment.
We will faithfully adhere to the code of ethics
We would
We will
faithfully
adhere
to the code of ethics
code of ethics
and safeguard the welfare of our students
and safeguard the
welfare of our
students.
students,
always keeping in mind that we represent the glory of
Always keeping in
always
mind that we
keeping in
represent the
mind that
glory
we
of
represent the glory of
Band Sanghas, SM Shetty College of Science, Commerce and Management Studies, Hawaii.
Band Sanghas,
SM
SM Shetty College of Science, Commerce and Management Studies, Hawaii.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you, dear students. Now I request the General Secretary of the Students' Council to take the pledge along with the council members. Council members, kindly get ready for the oath.
Vinay sir, can you allow the videos to students? It's disabled to them. Vinay sir?
Just a moment, ma'am. Let me check.
Yeah.
Let me check, ma'am. Ma'am, there is nothing such like that over here.
They aren't able to put it on.
Nothing.
Vinay sir, if I'm not wrong, if we make them the host, maybe they will be able to keep their video on.
Maybe, might be, ma'am. Might be.
Yeah.
So should I make them co-host?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please do it for now, sir, for the sake of it.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
Sir, they aren't
Ratin,
able to on.
I have made. And others? Who are others?
Sir Divya.
Okay.
Ratin, you can tell the name of the students.
Sure, sir. So it's Divya,
Divya.
Namira,
Divya
Yes, ma'am.
Shaz.
Divya Shaj, Namira Sheikh,
Namira Sheikh. Okay, done.
Karan Shetkar,
Karan Shetkar. Done.
and Vrinda Suman.
Yeah, done.
Sir, I've changed the settings so participants can switch on their videos, I think.
इसका पैसा आया मैंने पूछा तो उसने बोलता है गेम का स्टेटमेंट देखिएगा 1 करोड़ 24 लाख हाँ दिया कितना वो बोलते हैं 1 करोड़ 24 आया उसमें गेम भी है
We the members
We the members
of Students' Council of
Students' Council of
Band Sanghas,
Band Sanghas,
SM Shetty College of Science,
SM Shetty College of Science,
Commerce and Management Studies,
Commerce and Management Studies
for the year 2020 to 2021,
for the year 2020 to 2021,
do hereby swear
do hereby swear
that we will perform our duties
that we will perform our duties
to the best of our ability.
to the best of our ability.
We will respect
We will respect
all the rules and regulations
all the rules and regulations
which govern them
which govern them
in true spirit
in true spirit,
for the honor of our college,
for the honor of our college,
and the glory of our country.
and the glory of our country.
We sincerely
We sincerely
and solemnly promise that
and solemnly promise that
we will uphold
we will uphold
and administer the offices
and administer
the offices
to which we have been elected
to which we have been
elected
to the best of our ability
to the best of our ability
and judgment.
and judgment.
and judgment.
We will faithfully
We will
We will
faithfully
faithfully
adhere to the code of ethics
adhere to the code of
adhere to the
ethics
code of ethics
and safeguard
and safeguard
the welfare of our students
the welfare
of our
of our
students,
students,
always keeping in mind
always keeping in
always
mind
keeping in mind
that we represent
that
we
we represent
the glory of
the glory of
the glory of
Ban Sanghas,
Ban Sanghas,
Bansangas,
SM Shetty College of Science,
SM Shetty College of
Shetty College
Science,
of Science,
Commerce and Management Studies, Powai.
Commerce and
Commerce
Management
and
Studies,
Management
Powai.
Studies, Powai.
Thank you, students. It was a gracious moment for the gathering to witness the emerging leaders of this college. We congratulate all the student leaders. Our true leader knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. May I now invite the General Secretary Ratan Sawant to address the gathering on behalf of all the student leaders.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Ratan Sawant, and I'm truly honored to be here as your General Secretary. The vision of our college says personality development for nation building. But my job won't be directing you to build your own personality since I'm in the process myself. My job would more accurately be creating an environment where we all can learn and develop ourselves to be better, mature, and more confident versions of ourselves. It gives me immense pleasure to see that I have got a huge team with me of up and coming talents from different walks of life, and the Students' Council is the platform where we come together and help each other and ultimately all our batchmates to achieve greater heights. Speaking of achievements, we all just went from attending or teaching our first ever online lecture to now conducting this auspicious oath taking ceremony online. And I applaud you all. What this institution has given me during this past year has been priceless. And I believe this badge is a good opportunity for me to repay to this college. I am truly grateful to the management for giving me this opportunity. Well, since this isn't a political speech, I am not here to make a list of promises which I may or may not fulfill. But I just want to say that I cannot wait to make memories with you all that I will cherish for the rest of my life. Although we all would have loved to have this ceremony in college, I want to take a moment to say and highlight the incredible job the core committee and the teacher in charges have done, and also the cooperation the entire student council has shown to make this ceremony as auspicious as ever. Thank you, everyone, and God bless us all.
Thank you, Ratan. We congratulate you and wish you all the best. I now call upon Principal Dr. Shidhara Shetty to kindly address the gathering.
Good evening, all. Respected Chairman of Power Education Committee, C.A. Shankar B. Shetty, Principal of the State Board, Mrs. Seema Sablok, Madam, International School and Junior College, Mrs. Mildred Lobo, Madam, Junior College Vice Principal, Ms. Pratibha Gadgali, Vice Principal of the Academic and Administrative Officer of our institutions, Dr. Sandeep Singh, Dr. Liji Santosh, Vice Principal of the College, Professor Sandesh Shetty, Vice Principal and Student Council in charge, Student Council Teacher Advisors Prachi, Ravina, Rohini Shetty, teachers, coordinators, and newly elected office bearers, and my dear students. A big congratulations to all of you for the newly elected Student Council representatives and members. It is quite painful to understand that our TY students this year did not enjoy the campus life. Of course, it is not in Powai, it is elsewhere also. One day in the month of November, I was thinking in the college, even I was demoralized because there were a few days wherein we have organized more than 5 to 6 programs beyond the curriculum. And 2021-22 being the NAC year, in the month of February, we have developed programs double of this actually, but did not happen because of the COVID-19. Of course, there's no point in discussing all this now. Now coming to the point, dear students, in SM Shetty College, we always believed that Student Council is the integral part of the decision-making body of the college. There are nearly 40 committees and associations, and each committee association being represented by student representatives. And for the sports day, for the festivals, for the different kinds of functions, we used to involve our students and thereby would like to give the glimpses of leadership to our students. And every year, directly or indirectly, we used to develop 300 to 400 small leaders. Now in SM Shetty, Mr. Ratin Sawant and your team, how to develop the leadership qualities. There are 6 programs in SM Shetty. I always used to say that to our teachers as well as to my students, BCom profile is different. BMS profile is different. BSc IT profile is different. BAF profile is different. BBI profile is different. And BMM profile is different. Getting along with them, communicating with them, and bringing all the students to the mainstream is the biggest challenge to the leader and your subordinates or your followers. BCom is totally different and their profile. Altogether difference is BSc IT. BMM again, they are totally different into the media. And the greatest challenge, the biggest challenge of a leader is to getting along with these students and bringing to the mainstream is the biggest challenge of any leader of the college. And one more thing which I observed is that the leadership in the college will give a hands-on experience, a kind of practice, a cushion effect to become the future leaders. If you want to take some survey of our parliament or 28, 29 state assemblies, I think nearly 20 to 25% of the representatives, I think would have been the leaders in their respective colleges. Sir, therefore, this is an opportunity for all of you to rise to the occasion to develop the leadership qualities. Now, leadership qualities are evolving over the years. What Mahatma Gandhi ji demonstrated, what Jawaharlal Nehru demonstrated, or what the great leaders of the world demonstrated may not be now realistic, and it is changing over the years. After COVID-19, I think we have to add a few more qualities to the leadership. And one is a leader should be tech savvy and he should be empathetic. Empathetic is nothing but understanding the problems from others' point of view. So these are the most emerged qualities of a leadership post COVID-19. And while interviewing by the principal, vice principals, and the coordinators of various programs, Mr. Ratin Sawant, he exhibited top quality leadership. The way in which he discussed the problems and discussions, I think it was great. In a most matured way, he has expressed. Favor principal, vice principals, and 6 coordinators, we have unanimously selected Mr. Ratin Sawant as the General Secretary of Bansanga's SM Shetty College of Science, Commerce, and Management Studies for the year 2020-21. Congratulations to Ratin Sawant and to your core committee members and also all the representatives. Government and university have given the green signal to slowly reopen the college from 15th February onwards. But some 2 hours ago, we have received one more circular that let us wait the situation between 15th and 22nd, because on 1st February, we have opened the railways for the public. We do not know the spreading of COVID now, so we have to wait for next 1 week and we can take the decision of reopening the college from 22nd onwards. Therefore, dear students, wait for up to 22nd. The college is fully geared up with the help of the management to reopen the colleges. But let us see at least 2 months, March and April, in the campus. So I wish all the best. A big congratulations to Mr. Ratin Sawant, your core committee members, and also all the representatives consisting of nearly 100 members. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring message. We hope our students will definitely strive to realize your thoughts into action. I now call upon Chairman, Powai Education Committee, CA Shankar B. Shetty, to kindly address the gathering.
You are muted, sir, muted.
Yeah, sorry. Good evening to all the persons who are present here today. I'm very happy to be here. I must say, all the students, I really miss you. All last 3 years, we had direct election process or this event. Today, we could not participate, but nevertheless, you are deprived of this joyous occasion. But I must tell you, this event has happened once in a century. So you are some special students who have this experience also. I think even if we wanted, we would not have it. Anyway, at the outset, in the beginning, let me compliment Ratin Sawant and his whole team. Wish you all the best from our side, from the management side. Actually, this team, that college union, what we call it, this is not just a procedure, I think. It has got a lot of deep meaning to it. Why this process has been continuing for the years? Because we want to create leadership from the beginning, from the college itself. Whoever is selected as leaders today, whether Ratin Sawant and all his team, what is leadership basically? Leader is the one who makes others leaders. He is already a leader. What is the requirement of yours? You have to make them others leader. If they are not having some of the qualities, it is you who have to develop them. Because more than the teachers, I think the students will mostly follow their leaders. Especially when he is a leader, he should be, a sort of role model. Entire community of our 2,600 or 800 students will be looking at you. All your actions will be, always, they will follow your actions. They see you, critically acclaim you. So that is why you got to be a leader at every moment of time. I know all the future leaders, as Sir said, is made in the colleges. It is not only political leader, that is industrial and commercial leaders also there. They play also dominant role. Any industry you go, any department you head, any company you head, you are a leader. What is the quality of a leader? I think when leader thinks that he is bottom of the pyramid, then only he can be most successful and powerful. If you think that you are on the top of the pyramid, then I always believe there is a problem of communication. On the top of the pyramid, you are alone. If you are at the bottom, you will get everybody. What is leadership is communication. What is leadership is empathy. What is leadership is understanding others' requirement and make them also leaders to execute their work in a better way. That way, the SM Shetty College is giving you an opportunity to excel from the beginning itself. All of you make use of this opportunity. If you have any problem, approach the principals and teachers for the guidance. Start learning from this stage itself. Your college life may not come back to you. This is an opportunity available. Opportunity has been given. Use it to the fullest. Get maximum benefit out of it. And all our teachers and principals vice principals are ready to support you all the time. Again, let me wish you all the best. Whatever the little time you get as a leader, whatever the little role you have, work it in a very, very better way. And as our slogan says, personality development the nation. I say this is personality development for yourself. Ultimately, it is going to benefit you in your real life situation. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Your kind words have definitely motivated our students.
Thank you.
Now I call upon Vice Principal Dr. Riju Santosh to propose the formal vote of thanks.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I was just missed off. So good evening, everyone. First of all, happy congratulations to the newly elected student council members and best wishes for their fruitful leadership. I'm so happy to see the young leaders cherishing out there. So we are deeply grateful to our respected chairman, PC Sri C.A. Shankar Shetty, for presiding over this function and for his enlightening address. His address was, as usual, unique one because of the novelty of ideas as well as your style, sir. Sir, I thank you for presiding over this function and for your address. We thank our vice chairman, B.R. Shetty, our vice chairman, Sri Nityanand Hegde, our secretary, Sri Harish Vasu Shetty, and our treasurer, Sri C.A. Harish Shetty, for their blessings to our students. I take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks to our General Manager for Academics and Administration, Dr. Sandeep Singh, for his presence on this occasion. We thank Principal Seema Sablok and Principal Mildred Lobo for their best wishes on this occasion. I also express my sincere thanks to our principal, our leading light, and also the chairman of Student Council for all his support and guidance. Special thanks to Vice Principal of Junior College, Ms. Pratibha Gadgali, for all her timely help extended towards this program. We thank Professor Sandesha Shetty, Vice Principal and Student Council in charge of our college, for all his meticulous planning and execution for this event and making this event first ever online oath taking ceremony a successful one. We thank our team Student Council consisting of Prachi Akarwal, Avneet Kaur, Ravina Shetty and Rohini Shetty for their planning and execution for making this event happen. I would like to thank all our coordinators, teachers for their presence on this occasion. Lastly, my special thanks are due to our technical team, consist of students and teachers for making this online event happen. Leaders become great, not because of their power, but because of their leadership abilities to empower others. Congratulations to all the leaders and thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope that these young leaders will uphold the values of this college while discharging their duties with honesty and impartiality. Now I request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem. Thank you everyone for gracing this event with your presence. Now we declare this event over formally. I request all the students to kindly fill the attendance form before leaving the meeting. Attendance link is in the chat box. Dear students, please fill the attendance form before leaving the meeting.